All right. So, is it possible to turn $10 into $1,000 with binary options? Yes and no. It's risky, but at the same time, you could. Today I'm trading on pound USD. So usually I trade with the Euro USD, but this time I found a beautiful signal with Euro USD. This is my latest session on my latest trades. It was beautiful. Everything was perfect. And yeah, we made a good amount of profit from this session. So back to this latest one. This means that we will see an uptrend. So as usual, I'm using the same strategy here. Uh, my own trading strategy. If you are interested in learning binary options from me personally, you can take the course. The course is in the description of this video. So let's open an uptrend or a call position first with $10. So $10 and let's go up. I guess that those asking me if you can use my trading strategy with forex. I mean, it's possible, but the effectiveness is different. So because binary options and forex are like two different forms of financial trading, and there's a lot of differences. For example, the nature of trading is different. uh, for forex, it involves buying one currency while simultaneously selling another with the goal of profiting from changes in exchange rates. uh, First win. Great. I guess we will see some downtrend or some red candles. Let me just check. Yeah. I guess we will see a downtrend next or a red candle next. So let's go down. Yeah, so as I was saying, traders, so when trading Forex, traders make money by predicting whether a currency pair will rise or fall in value. But binary options, the trader is predicting whether the price of an asset, like currency pair or stock or commodities or whatever, will go up or down within a set period of time. If the prediction is right, the trader get a fixed payout, so a percentage. If incorrect and if your prediction is wrong, you will lose the full investment. It's called binary because yeah, beautiful. Second win. It's called binary because there are only two possible outcomes. You either win or lose. So this is the latest trade. So this is the latest position. I guess next, or I'm almost sure that we are going down next. So let's put $18 there. We should go down. We should see a red candle. So I hope my prediction is right. Not this one, but oh, I missed an open position there. Yeah. So as I was saying, guys, so this is the differences between uh binary options and forex, and you can't use the same strategies and expect the same results because they are totally different. So, for example, the risk and the rewards are different. So, forex trading, the profits and losses are not fixed and depend on the size of the market movement and the trader's position size. The more the market moves in the trader's favor, the more he can earn, and vice versa, or for losses. But binary options, the payout and risk are predetermined. The trader knows in advance how much they will win or lose if the market goes like in their favor or against them. So the profit is typically a percentage of the initial investment. For example, or most of the times you find it from like 60% to 90%. If it's above 90%, that's risky. I don't advise you to trade in it. And if it's under 60%, you will not make enough profit to like recover your losses. So stay away from it. Yep, we are at $49. Yeah, but in binary option, if your prediction is wrong, the entire investment is lost. Also, the time frame is different. So, just give me a second here. I guess we will see an uptrend this time. I guess we will see a green candle this time. Yeah, it will be green. I'm 100%. This one will be green. Just let it go. It's going to be green. Also, the time frames, guys, is different from the like binary options and forex. So for forex, it can be done. The trade can be done in short term, in medium term, or long term. Like short term when we talk about scalping and day trading, medium term when we talk about swing trading, and long term when we talk about position trading. The trader can hold positions for seconds, hour, days, or even months. Yep. So let's go. Yeah, I expected the green candle. That happened. I guess a green candle again will take place. So let's go up. So with $75, I'm going up. So as I was saying, forex you can trade with, you can hold a position in like days, but binary option are often very short term. So ranging from 30 seconds. Yeah, there's some platforms that allows 30-second expiration time to a few hours. So once the set time expiration or this expires, sorry, the set time expires, the trade is automatically closed, and the outcome is determined or predetermined. So the complexity and strategies are not the same. So forex and binary options, there's a lot of differences. Uh, because especially forex is more complex as it requires analyzing the market using various technical and fundamental analysis tools, also managing positions. Traders need to understand factors that affect currencies, even outside the chart. You need to go outside the chart to understand what's happening with the market, like economic data, geopolitical events, and interest rates. So what's the fundamental? Yeah, the fundamental analysis. Great. Guess we will have more 4 or 5 more trades to open yet. This one. Oh, oh, see the last. This means that the market will go down. So let me just put $160. This means that the market will try to go down. The sellers will try to go down, but I don't believe that for too long because this is the start of an uptrend. So let's go down. Yeah, let's go down and hope that the market will go up. As I was saying, the strategies complexity are not the same for forex and binary options because forex there's more analyzing the market, more managing positions, and various technical fundamental analysis tools and stuff like that. But binary options, I'm not saying it's simple, but it's simpler in terms of trade execution. For example, they still binary options still require strategies and market analysis to make accurate prediction, but not as much as for forex trading, because because the decision is straightforward. Simply predict the direction of the price within a specific time frame. Also, forex you can use leverage on forex, but you can't with binary options because forex often involves leverages, especially if you have a good strategy. You must use leverage. Even I don't advise you to use any leverage on your trading or in your trading. And this will allows traders to control the I'm talking about the leverage will allow traders to control larger positions with smaller capital. While leverage, yeah, I always say that this Leverage can magnify profits, but at the same time, it also increases the risk of losses. Yep, I guess we will go up now. So now the market must start creating green candles. Let's go up. So with $200, yeah, yeah. We was talking about. I was talking about um leverages, yeah. But binary options, you can't use leverages. You only risk the amount you put into the trade, and your potential loss is kept that amount. All right, or capped at that amount. Um, Meaning you will not risk all your capital. You are risking only the investment. Also, the regulations and risks are different. So, forex trading is generally regulated by financial authorities in various countries. This provides some level of investor protection, while binary option trading has been criticized for being high risk, sometimes misleading products, especially those who don't know how to trade think that it's gambling, but it's easy to turn it into gambling if you don't have a good trading strategy, right? Also, yeah, the profit potential. Forex offers a limited profit potentials. Great. So again, as I said, again we'll see a second. See a call position. I believe $300, and let's go up because I believe that the market will go up from this point. So see a green candle. This is a clear green candle. I believe that we still have more green candles to open. Yeah, the profit is fixed or predetermined when it comes to binary option trading. Yeah, meaning the reward potential is limited. It's clear and limited. You cannot earn more than the fixed payout, regardless of how much the market moves in your favor. But with forex, it's unlimited. If the market moves significantly in your favor, you gain or your gains can be large. I guess we still have the last trade, this one with $400. I'm risking too much, I know, but yeah, I want to reach at least $1,000. So I guess we will call this time. This means that the market will go up. This is the last trade. Hope that you learned something from me. Even though I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not giving any financial advices on in this video or in my whole channel. This is for entertainment purposes only. I'm just sharing what I learned over the years, and this is not a guaranteed, or I'm not telling you in any ways that you will make the same amount of money as I'm doing here, because yeah, it's risky. And this is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. So please be careful when trading binary options, forex, crypto, or any style of trading, because you are you are risking your money and you may lose everything if you don't have good education. You are not familiar with the trading style that you are trading. You may lose your money. So keep in mind to educate yourself, invest in education, especially. Yeah, read books, watch free tutorials, and keep practice on the demo accounts. So don't trade with real money unless you are 100% sure that your strategy is working. I guess that's it. I don't believe that we still have not the position to open. Yeah.